Here I'm going to show you 3 battle clips I did with Darkrai, Groudon, Kyogre, and Zygarde. Keep in mind, I may not have won all of them. At least I don't remember if I did, but I'm probably going to end up calling this video Dreams of Nature. So, enjoy. I'm just going to say, these people gotta stop dreaming. Yeah, 2 matchups against 2 Groudons isn't very fun, is it? It can be fun, but sometimes it's boring. Time to go to sleep. You see, I keep putting them to sleep because they haven't gotten their daily, well, their regulated 8 hours of sleep. They've been overworking. All part of the process. Pretty much 2 for 1. Good for me. Although, I'm just gonna say there's gonna be a lot of dark voids in these battles. Because, you know, Darkrai usually put together with sleep. I don't remember if I used Zygarde very much, but when I do use Zygarde, I try to make the best of them in the battles. And in case you're interested, my Darkrai's moveset is Dark Void, uh, Dark Pulse, Thunder, and Dream Eater. Well, I believe Groudon's is Precipice Blades, uh, Eruption, Dragon Claw, and Solar Beam. And Kyogre's moveset is Ice Beam, Thunder, Origin Pulse, and Water Spout. And then Zygarde's moveset is Thousand Arrows, Core Enforcer, Thousand Waves, and Land's Wrath. Yeah, this is not the best matchup. This is a good matchup, unless the Promo Groudon is faster than Kyogre. I mean, unless Kyogre is faster than Groudon, then it's a problem. But like I said, there's going to be a lot of dark voids in these battles. I don't know why these people don't target Darkrai first. I mean, you'd think that'd be the best option, considering most people use him to put you to sleep and then just torture the battle. Right? Oh wait, you guys can't respond directly to me because it's not live stream, it's just a recorded video. I can't really do live streams because I have to use my phone to record. They didn't get their daily 8 hours of sleep again. The sleep doctor is in. Yeah, but like I'll say through a lot of my videos, I'm sorry for the poor quality. I can't really afford to do much more in it right now. As in, I can't really afford a better way to do it. Well, this could be a problem. Yeah, this could be a big problem. Why would you send that Pokemon that was already asleep back into the battle? That doesn't make sense to me. Because I know they... Oh wait, I took down one of their others, didn't I? Oh yeah, they have no choice but to switch to Landers, because Landers, Necrozma, and Groudon are all they have right now. Well, that didn't seem to do much damage. Oh, they have Xerneas. I thought I took out one of theirs. Never mind. My bad. Oh, right. I should've just paid attention to how many Pokeballs are visible. And again, Necrozma avoids the sleep. They must have been getting too much sleep. And here goes Kyogre. If I remember correctly, if I send Zygarde out, Zygarde gets one shot. Or that might be in a different battle. I'm not sure. Yeah, if they did this to Darkrai, they would have just wasted a Z move. Which I wish they did. Yeah, this is an event Zygarde that I got. But yeah, I think Zygarde gets one shot. Oh wait, no, the Xerneas wakes up, I think. I really need to stop thinking, it doesn't do me any good. At least for the most part. Yep, there goes Zygarde. Oh, Necrozma finally got tired. And so did the Xerneas. Man, this really isn't looking good for them, is it? And again, you could also say it's not looking good for me, because I'm down to my last two as well. If you're interested in anime videos, I'll most likely post some links to two anime YouTubers that aren't very popular right now. At least don't have a lot of subscribers, but I still think they're worth the watch because they do really good. And they both have Discord servers where you can join and talk to them and possibly get your idea for video requests done. They didn't ask me to do this. I just wanted to mention them. Like, one of the channels is called Guild Forever. The other one is Yoko's Band of Anime Reactions, I think. Either way, I'll put the links to their channels in the description. Yeah, Thousand Waves is really useful for when you don't want your opponent to be able to escape. And I think in this next turn I pretty much get a 2 for 1. Like, 2 Pokemon, 1 turn. Yeah, I think I do. You have been judged guilty of high treason against an ecosystem. I don't remember how much longer that guard lasts. I think those two were the only Pokemon Zygarde could take out. Yep. Wait, have I even sent out Groudon yet? If not, I might be on with all 4 of my party. Hopefully, it's able to get the rest of this before it's over. If not, I'll be in trouble. But luckily, this should be the last round.